What's up, guys? If you checked out my last video, I just picked up this wheeler from my buddy Reed for 200 bucks. It's a Big Bear 350, four-wheel drive. It's got a lot of issues. I literally haven't fixed anything. I'm gonna take it for a drive, see how it goes. Oh yeah, works great. I'm gonna throw a can of Seafoam in it and get a quart of oil because it burns it so bad, and maybe top off with gas if it needs any. I literally pulled in the gas station and it shut off, like it ran out of gas almost. It just, that's it. That was all she wrote. Oh? Yeah, I've absolutely no clue why I did that. This thing smokes a lot. Is that like rev limiter or what is that even? Comment below if you think Reed should buy a pit bike. I really think he should. He sold his KLX a while back and he's gonna get another one, and he never did, like just like all the other ones of my friends. And Tyler just sold his. I forgot to even top it off with gas. I just dumped all that fuel treatment and fucking isopropyl in it. I didn't even put gas in it. Oh, now it's smoking. I can smell it. I can taste it. Oh, fuck! Oh! This thing barely does wheelies up a hill. What fucking gear is this thing in? Ah! This thing. Oh, it hops so bad. Fuck! Alright, you try it. That was a hard hit. My GoPro tilted down.
Oh, fucking barely.
This pit actually is really deep here. Deep? I thought this normally didn't have any water in it.
Yeah, actually deep.
How deep?
Deeper than used to go.
We'll see about that. Where's the air box on this thing? I got a little bit more. Ah, it's fine. Starting to get read out! Fuck! Oh no! Get in front of me and push me backwards!
Told you.
Yeah, well, I didn't believe you.
Told you not to go in there.
Huh?
I knew that was gonna happen.
Here, go turn it over. Give it gas. What's that?
Just pouring out of that weld seam on the bottom.
Should we tip it up? 1, 2, 3. This thing is heavy. It's really heavy. Flip it back. Uh-oh.
Gotta get a footing.
I'm just kind of trying to drive. Oh God.
Oh shit.
This is not what we wanted it to do. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh God, ow, oh fuck. I let go because the tire is like right in between my balls.
I was able to.
Where's this thing leaking all this oil from? Yeah, it's definitely oil. Still none? Do you have any more oil with you? Jesus. Well, that valve cover for adjustment there, that's not even tight.
Can you reach your pliers?
Probably. A little bit.
They're both still there. I mean, you could probably let it cool down a bit.